Did you know Britain once hired a man who had never visited India to draw its borders, and he had just 5 weeks to do it? His name was Cyril Radcliffe, a London lawyer. He had never seen the villages, the rivers, or the fields he was about to divide. Britain handed him outdated census maps and told him to split the subcontinent into two new nations, India and Pakistan. He drew his lines from a desk. Those lines cut through farms, splitting families from their land. They ran through villages, sometimes down the middle of streets. Communities that had lived side by side for generations were suddenly on opposite sides of a border. What followed was catastrophic. 14 million people fled across those new lines in just a few months. An estimated 2 million died in the violence. The day the borders were announced, Radcliffe left India. He reportedly burned his working papers. He never spoke publicly about what he had done. One man, 5 weeks. A wound that changed the modern world forever.